download 3 or 4 that I play all the time, but it's nice to be able to go to these game sites and just play the games right in the browser without having to download applications. The next thing is video content, and particularly when you need to use the advanced features of Flash video. So streaming, content protection, all of those things you need to use Flash because HTML5 video does not support those features. Okay, now moving to mobile apps. So these are the applications that you download from the App Store or the Android Marketplace. We announced it at Adobe Max that we have Adobe Air for Android, and now for the BlackBerry Playbook, and also for TVs. So Samsung is going to release a TV with Air built right into it, so you can create applications for the TV. But there are some times when you don't want to use Adobe Air. You still should use native technologies like Java, Objective-C, and we'll look at when you should use which technology. So first, let's look at Android. So if I want to do native development for Android, I'm going to be working in Eclipse, I'm going to be using Java, and I'm going to compile to an APK file, which is the native Android application file, which I can upload to the Android market and sell it. If I'm doing Adobe Air development, I'm going to be using the Flash tools that you're already using, Flash CS5, maybe Flash Catalyst, and Flash Builder. And you may be using the Flex mobile framework, which we just released a preview of at Max, which Enrique is actually going to show a demo of. But the end result when you compile is an APK file, just like when you do native development. So you can then upload that to the market and sell it. So when we're talking about iOS devices, iPhone and iPad, if I want to do native development, first, I can't do native development on a PC. You have to be on a Mac, you have to actually use OS 10. So that's a problem right there if you use a PC. But you're going to be working in Xcode in OS 10, and you're going to be using Objective-C, which is a muy loco programming language. I don't care what anybody says. It's muy loco. It's not like